The boy has a super mini girlfriend. She sleeps in a tissue box every night, takes a bath by soaking in a bowl, and does not need a car when going out. She can just fit into her boyfriend's pocket and can even go to class with him. After school, the boyfriend takes her to a toy store to buy new clothes. The girl immediately takes a liking to a red Barbie dress. Just as they are about to leave, she is suddenly spotted by a little girl, and the boyfriend smiles slightly. Then the two of them go to an ice cream shop. It is the first time she eats the same ice cream with her boyfriend, and she is extremely happy. That day, the boyfriend comes back with breakfast and sees the girl wrapped in a piece of bedsheet. She says the little floral pattern looks nice and wants him to help make it into a small dress. The girl lies on the table, the boyfriend starts measuring around her, then cuts according to the model. In a short while, a dress is finished. The girl can't wait to try it on, but finds she can't get into it at all, which shows that the boyfriend is not suitable for doing needlework. But she hasn't changed clothes for a whole month and decides to go back to her own place to find some clothes. She struggles to climb the first step and looks up at the staircase that seems to reach the sky, but she does not give up. A few hours later, she finally returns to her room. She opens the dollhouse box, which is full of the clothes she picked for dolls before. Now these clothes finally come in handy. The package becomes big and heavy. Back at the boyfriend's house, the exhausted girl collapses directly on the ground. Before she can rest, she hears someone coming and hurriedly hides under the table, hearing movement outside. It turns out that a thief has broken in. She suddenly remembers the police in the morning said that a murderer escaped from prison and told everyone to be careful. Could it be this thief? The girl breaks out in a cold sweat. The thief starts rummaging around and seems not to notice her. The girl takes the chance to quickly climb upstairs. She barely climbs onto the table, opens the tablet, takes off her shoes, and uses her feet to send a message to her boyfriend. But at this moment, the thief also starts going upstairs. The girl successfully sends the message, but the footsteps get closer and closer. Frightened, the girl has no choice but to pretend to be a doll, but the thief is still suspicious. She holds her pose and does not dare to move, because the thief is slowly approaching. Suddenly, the thief's phone rings. She grabs the phone and walks toward the door. The girl looks at the stereo speaker in front of her and carefully walks to the sound system, pressing the play button. The thief, who is about to go upstairs, suddenly hears the sound, thinks someone is at home, and runs away in fear.